Introducing our game-changing Autocad course in Twi. Calling all architects, engineers, draftsmen or technicians, design and construction enthusiasts in Ghana. Are you ready to take your design skills to new heights? Get ready to unlock your true potential with our groundbreaking Autocad course in Twi, your gateway to becoming a master in digital design. Whether you are a professional seeking to enhance your career or a student passionate about architecture and engineering, this course is tailored just for you. Gain valuable insights in the world of AutoCAD, learn the secrets of efficient drafting, and create stunning designs that will make you stand out from the crowd. From understanding the software interface to mastering advanced techniques, we have got you covered every step of the way. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to join our vibrant community of like-minded individuals, share your passion, and unlock endless possibilities. Enroll now at online.mycarbsolutions.com and be part of the digital revolution that's shaping the future of Ghana's architecture, engineering, and construction industry. Plus, for a limited time, early birds enjoy an exclusive discount. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Let's embrace the power of AutoCAD in our own language and create a thriving community of exceptional designers. Together, we will build a brighter future. Visit online.mycarbsolutions.com today and unlock your path to design excellence.